Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams after school. First, find a quiet, dedicated study space where you can focus without interruptions. Next, gather all your essential materials, including your notes, textbooks, and any study guides. It's crucial to then create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Remember to prioritize subjects based on their difficulty and how much they contribute to your overall grade, perhaps dedicating 60% of your time to challenging areas. Once your space is set, dive into effective study methods. Actively recall information by quizzing yourself often, perhaps using flashcards or self-made questions. Try summarizing key concepts in your own words to ensure deep understanding. A great technique is to explain difficult topics aloud to someone else. This solidifies your knowledge. Finally, practice with past exam papers to familiarize yourself with the format and manage your time effectively, aiming to complete sections within their allocated minutes. Optimizing your study time is key to sustained learning. Break your study sessions into manageable 25-minute blocks, a technique known as the Pomodoro method. After each block, take a short 5-minute break to rest your mind and prevent burnout. Regularly review your progress and be flexible enough to adjust your schedule if certain topics require more attention. Most importantly, ensure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's vital for memory consolidation. As exam day approaches, a final review is essential. The evening before, quickly go over your most important notes and summaries, but avoid cramming new information. Pack all your essential items, such as multiple pens, pencils, and a calculator, well in advance. On the morning of the exam, eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain and maintain focus. Finally, arrive at the exam venue with at least 15 minutes to spare, allowing you to settle in calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.